Chapter 14-4, Three-Dimensional Figures. I'll be mentioning specific types of vocabulary today, so it's pretty important to figure out what on earth I'm talking about. Whenever I use the word face, we're talking about a flat surface of any object. A lateral face is just a complicated way of saying the sides. A vertices, that's where two lines or edges meet, otherwise known as a corner. And finally, the edges are where two of the faces meet. On a three-dimensional shape, they look just like lines. Let's go into some of the shapes that are three-dimensional. The first kind is a prism. Now, a prism has at least three rectangular lateral faces, or sides. The top and the bottom are bases, and they're parallel. They're the same distance apart from each other. And usually, whatever shape the base is, that's the name of the prism. To the left, since the base is a rectangle, it's a rectangular prism. To the right, since it's a square prism, but we call it a cube. Next is a cone. A cone has one circular base, it has one vertex or corner, and it has absolutely no edges. A pyramid is similar to a cone, but it does have some differences. It has at least three triangular lateral faces, or sides, and it has one base. Now the base, or the bottom, can be any shape it wants to be. The importance of that, whatever the base is, that's the type of pyramid it is. In the picture below, since the base is a square, it's a square pyramid. Now we move on to the cylinder. A cylinder has two circular bases. It has no vertices and no edges. That means no corners, no lines. Finally, we come to the sphere. In a sphere, all surface points of the sphere are the same distance from the center. And this shape has no vertices, no edges, no bases, no faces. This has been Chapter 14-4, Three-Dimensional Figures. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please visit me at my website or throw me an email. Thank you and have a great day.